What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another Diddy video. And Law and Crime's Jesse Weber just dropped an interview with one of Diddy's attorneys, Alexandra Shapiro. And in this interview, he asked her several questions about the trial. And one of the topics that came up in this interview is how much time Diddy is looking at. Now, I just recently did a video where I talked about the prosecutor seeking a substantially higher prison sentence than they had during trial. So it's interesting hearing what his defense attorney had to say about how much time he could possibly be looking at or how much time they would be seeking. So let's take a look at that clip right now.
Correct me if I'm wrong, you are probably going to be arguing for time served, maybe a minimum of 21 to 27 months. Where do you think the judge is going to go here?
Yeah, I think that you have to take each step at a time and that the judge is not going to prejudge that. There's a lot more information he needs to get, not only the pre-sentence report, but we're going to make a very fulsome sentencing submission. And he's going to have, a much more detailed picture. Even, the trial was about the charges, right? And he doesn't have the full picture of all the factors about Sean's life that he's going to consider. There's going to be a big fight about the sentencing guidelines. We think actually we're going to end up arguing for an even lower guideline range than we had originally believed at the time of the verdict, where we didn't have we had like a couple of hours to try to figure out what to say about bail. So, I hope the judge will grant bail, but I feel confident that even if he doesn't, it doesn't necessarily mean he's not going to sentence Sean to time served. He's going to take everything into account when he gets all the submissions. And, I've got a lot of confidence that the judge is going to be fair and not prejudge the situation.
So we've got the defense saying that they're going to be asking for less time than they initially asked for, and we have the prosecutor saying they're going to be asking for more time than they initially asked for. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Who do you think's going to win out? Me personally, I think that the judge is definitely going to go in favor of the prosecution, and he's going to get a substantial prison sentence. But you guys let me know what y'all think. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe. If you like this video, please hit the like.